Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher. Welcome to my channel. Here we try to help kids fall in love with reading through amazing books. Today we're going to be opening up books sent to me by publishers. Hopefully we can find the next great book to share with kids to help them fall in love with reading. If you like helping kids fall in love with reading, please give this video a thumbs up and let's share the love, the joy of reading, the excitement that we have. Starting off with Magon's The Secret Library. Let's go. Let's go. I can't wait to read this. Doesn't it look awesome? What's it say? Let's see what it's about. Minor transgressions, little white lies, deathbed confessions, family secrets. The library holds them all. That sounds great, right? Definitely going to be reading this book at some point, hopefully soon. Loki, a bad God's guide to ruling the world. Oh boy. 3rd book in the hilarious series. Let me get a feel for what it looks like inside. Super fun. Kids are going to dig that one. We have some calculating chimpanzees, brainy bees, and other animals with mind-blowing mathematical abilities. Well, that's interesting. How about that? You got some stuff about hyenas, parrots, bird brains, all kinds of stuff. Monty and Leo. Doesn't this look adorable? What if every day were just the same? That's what Monty and the citizens of Pocketville think when a stranger arrives. Doesn't that look so cool? Yes, it does. It does look so cool. I think so. Hopefully you feel the same way. What do we have here? Asian American and Pacific Islander history. That sounds super interesting. The heroes, the stories, and the cultures that helped build America. Let's go. Whoa, look at that. Look at that design. Excited to dig in deeper with that one. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. I am a Thundercloud. It looks a little stressed out there. I am a Thundercloud. Give you a little peek at one of the illustrations. All right, what do we have here? Holiday. Ooh, Holiday House. Always exciting to see what they have to send. Whole stack of F and G's. So these are picture books before they come out. Oh, and we have some chapter books too. These are actually kind of tricky to show because the picture books have little papers on them, but we'll figure it out. The Supernatural Files of C.J. Delaney. Ooh. The Curious League of Detectives and Thieves. Let's go. Rose Demir is not the one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Rose. A Second Chance on Earth. Well, that's intriguing. Have you ever encountered a book that KO'd you? Iron Mike Tyson style. One that hit you square in the face. Heart like some abracadabra casting a hex from the unknown planet. Fun young adult book. Okay, so see, these have these little things on the front. It just tells you when it comes out and stuff. But it doesn't do good for these videos. So round and round the year we go. Carter Higgins. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I've been seeing this. I love Carter Higgins' work, so very exciting. Good thing I pulled that little sticker off. How to Eat a Mango. That's fun. I think this is how to eat a mango in Spanish. Tape. A party for fluorine. You've got this. Oh, that kid looks a little nervous about swimming. Well, face fears, take risks. You've got this. Great title. Great title. Okay. Let's see what's next. Making a mess. We're making a huge mess. That's okay. Okay. We got this. What do we got here? Here be dragons. Oh boy. Lots of dragon books. I've actually read 2 chapter books allowed in my 5th graders this year that include dragons. How wild is that? Not really a dragons guy, but you know. Kids are into dragons. That's cool. Homebody. Oh, this looks cool. A warm, affirming, gentle, honest story of a non-binary gender journey. Doesn't that look cool? Those 2-color graphic novels. Kind of digging in there. What we got here? What do we got here? Okie dokie. Kingdoms of Life. Sounds sweet. And a star shines through. I love this cover. Doesn't that look awesome? We used to live in the big city. In our apartment window was a star-shaped lamp. It helped recognize home from far away. But then the war began and we left for another country. Oh no, everything is different here. One day Mom buys scissors, glue, and cardboard. Can we make this place feel a little more like home? That sounds amazing. Refugee story. Where'd my little box go? Here it is. Ha 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 ha. Hopefully find something good. Continue to find books that we want to read. And here, it's my opening packages space, I guess. Okay, what do we got? 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 Flying through the water. That looks very cool. That looks very, 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 very cool. By the time you get this, I will be far away. It is cowardly, I know, but I cannot see your faces and walk away. Please forgive me, knowing that I have gone to make a better life for us all. That sounds cool. A Year of the Buttered Cat, a mostly true story. What? I like who I am. I don't want to be anyone else. I mean, I get that I'm different. Why do people assume I hate being me? What is this book? I don't know, but that's intriguing. That is intriguing. Shock the Monkey, the Noah Files. Oh, Neil Schusterman. Oh, there was a book called I Am the Walrus. Okay. Dr. Color Monster. Looks fun. Uno Mas, one more. Beautiful. The Pelican Can. Of course he can. The Dreamcatcher. Upstage. This is so, I wish you could, this is a graphic novel, hardcover graphic novel. So it's got like heavy paper. I wish you could feel how heavy. It just feels like a solid book right here. Theater Camp has plenty of captivating drama both on stage and off. Oh, yep. This is, I probably read one, maybe two young adult books a year. This is probably going to be at least one or two. This book won't burn. Yep, we're reading it. We're so excited to read this. Probably as soon as the year ends, the school year ends, and I am not like reading to like try to get more books in the hands of my fifth graders, I'm probably gonna read this. Probably my first summer vacation read. Let's go. Okay, The Curious Why, the best-selling creators of the Magic Egg. See that? Magon glitter. That's cool. Feels like a read aloud, doesn't it? All right, we're almost caught up, friends. We're almost caught up with our books. Open one more package. One more package. I almost said open one more packages, but that didn't make any sense. So, I really don't want to clean this up. Oh, my cat's over there. Playing in boxes. Okay, we got a few books here. Then we're going to get to reading, not cleaning up. Look what I found on the farm. This is awkward. Got some cows. Got some tractors. It's fun. Asteroid vs. Comet. Cosmic Collisions. What? It's written by a doctor. A little nonfiction here. What happens when two massive hunks of hurtling space debris slam into each other in a collision of cosmic proportions? What happens? Let's read the book. And the last book of the day, The Everchanging Earth. Oh, isn't that the truth? I'll give you a little peek inside. That's cool. Oh, looks like a pterodactyl. Hope you found something awesome. I have some reading to do. I have to read This Book Won't Burn. That's definitely the first thing I'm going to read. Got some picture books to read. Got some graphic novels to read. Hope you found something great to read. Thanks for tuning in. It means the world to me. Thanks for watching. My name's Colby. Have an awesome-tastic day.